Everybody wants to double their money fast. But are you investing smart? Or just following hype? In this video, we pit AI tools, cryptocurrency, and real estate against each other. By the end, you'll see where your money grows fastest. And what's secretly keeping millions broke. It's not just what you choose. It's when and how you act that counts. Think about it. One person invests in artificial intelligence and makes $5,000 in just 60 days. Another throws $10,000 into crypto and loses half. Someone else buys land and waits 3 long years to see a return. Now pause and comment, which one do you trust more? AI, crypto, or real estate? Welcome to Omolola Finance Lab. I'm Badamosi Omolola, and this channel is for real people who want real financial growth. Whether you're in Nigeria, India, the United Kingdom, or the United States, your money deserves a mission, not confusion. Today, we'll explore 3 paths people use to double their money in 2025. AI automation, cryptocurrency, real estate. But not in theory. We're showing real numbers, simulations, and smart strategies you can start right now. We'll reveal the fastest return in real-world tests, the biggest mistake poor investors always make, and which option is right for you, based on your budget and risk level. Stick to the end, because this is where people stop guessing and start growing. Don't worry if you've made mistakes before. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared before the next money wave hits. The rich aren't lucky. They're just ready before everyone else. And don't skip ahead, because the number 1 wealth killer is hiding in one of these options. Think about this. If you had just $200 United States dollars in January and put it into the right asset, it could have become over $500 United States dollars by July. But if you picked wrong, that same 200 could now be worth only $105. This video isn't financial theory. It's a practical guide for anyone who wants their money to grow without guessing, gambling, or getting scammed. If you're ready to learn, let's begin. AI is more than robots. It's the new employee you don't have to pay. From trading bots to voice generators to content creators, AI tools are now building full businesses from scratch. Example, Aisha from Kenya used free AI writing tools to publish 3 ebooks. In 6 weeks, she made over 220,000 Naira, roughly $150, all automated. In the United Kingdom, teens are using ChatGPT to run TikTok script channels. In India, freelancers are selling AI-generated logo packs on Fiverr. And in Nigeria, students are using AI video generators to launch Faceless YouTube channels. Pros: low cost to start, as low as $0 with free tools. Scalable fast. Passive-ish income with automation. Cons: high competition. Must stay updated as tools evolve. Needs consistency and creativity. Real path: start with ChatGPT or Canva AI. Offer microservices on Fiverr or Upwork. Scale with automation tools like Zapier and Notion AI. If you're just starting out, try building one small AI project this week. Maybe a blog using AI writers, or a TikTok voiceover channel using 11 Labs or Play.ht. Track your progress, then double down. So, can AI double your income? Yes. But can it replace real assets? Let's see how it compares to crypto next. Crypto exploded again in 2024. Bitcoin passed $70,000. Ethereum upgraded. New coins increased tenfold overnight. But can crypto still double your money in 2025? Meet John. He put $500 into a meme coin. In 4 days, it turned into $2,400. But by day 9, it dropped to $320. Then came the fear, the regret, and the late-night what-ifs. He didn't set an exit plan. And that's the reality for most people. Chasing highs then falling hard. That's crypto wild rides, huge potential, but massive crashes too. Still, people keep diving in. Why? Because it feels like the lottery you can study. Pros: High reward potential. 24/7 markets. Blockchain is transparent and fast. And if you get in early just once, it can change your life. Cons. Emotion driven. Volatile, manipulative markets. Scams and pump schemes. And no safety net when you fall. Safe crypto tips. Stake to top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Use dollar cost averaging weekly. Withdraw profits, don't hold everything. Research before hype. Learn the cycles, not just the trends. Real strategy. Split your budget. 70% to Bitcoin and Ethereum. 20% to trending altcoins. 10% to moonshot risk. Use CoinMarketCap or Binance for tracking. And always set a goal, take profit, and never invest what you can't afford to lose. But if crypto feels like gambling, what about a money move you can touch? While people chase flashy apps, smart investors are still buying land. Why? Because land doesn't vanish. Meet Emeka. He bought a small plot in a Lagos suburb for 800,000 Naira. Built a mini shop structure. Added a small signboard, nothing fancy. 6 months later sold it for 1.6 million Naira. He didn't even advertise online. Doubled. Zero apps. Zero hype. And it's not just Nigeria. In the United Kingdom, Sarah rented her spare room on Airbnb, made £1,200 per month. In India, land flipping near new tech hubs is booming. In the United States, mobile home parks are generating cash flows with low entry cost. Across continents, smart real estate plays are quietly multiplying wealth. Pros. Tangible. Passive rental income. Strong long-term appreciation. Cons. Upfront capital needed. Legal and registration complexity. Not liquid, you can't sell instantly. Simple entry tips. Buy land on the outskirts of cities. Use Airbnb for short lets. Start with co-rental or house hacking if you're broke. But which of these three? Artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, or real estate actually doubled money the fastest in our simulation? Let's stack the results. We took $500 and simulated 6 months of growth using real data. Chart breakdown. AI tools like ebooks and freelance services returned between $470 and $600. Crypto split between Bitcoin, altcoins, and high-risk picks. Ranged from a loss of $300 to a profit of $1,800. Real estate returns ranged from $500 to $1,000. Through land flips and short-term rentals. Final scorecard. Fastest gain, crypto with luck or timing. Easiest to start, AI. Most reliable, real estate. But what's the number one mistake poor investors make? Chasing returns without a plan. Rich people choose their risk. Broke people react to FOMO. And here's what most people miss. Fast gains don't always mean smart money. It's not just how fast it grows. It's how long it lasts. So where are you putting your money this year? Comment now and tag your friends. Let's build wealth together. If I had just $200, I'd master AI tools. Build a micro-income source in 14 days. With $500, I'd put 100 in AI, 150 in crypto, and save 250 toward land. With $1,000, I'd split 300 into AI and crypto, and use 700 for rent-based income. And if I had $0, I'd binge this channel. Knowledge is money's fuel. Because I've been broke too. But nobody's born wealthy. We build it. And now, I'm helping you build it. Comment, which path excites you most? Ask a question below. I'll reply. Or make a video for you. BOOP that like if this helped. Subscribe and turn on all notifications. Check our playlist. Because we've covered many of these strategies in detail already.